Hello, hello. Okay, so December 7th, I did a video about revisiting all, at that time, 2,274 coins in that were, in PancakeSwap, basically, right? So there's 2,274 tokens, coins, whatever, in PancakeSwap, and I wanted to look at them, and I wanted to see like how, if I put $1, $10 in, could I get over a billion, right? And that was the goal, right, of the thing. So, disclaimer, right? This is not. This is for entertainment personally. Uh, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for right? Entertainment purposes only. Okay, disclaimer out of the way. All right, so I want to go over the tokens. So this is December 7th, right? And I want to see, has the price changed much from December 7th until now? So first one is a little angry bunny version 2, looks like. So December 7th is when I last talked about it. December 7th. That was a month ago. December 7th. December 7th. So it hasn't really gone up actually. It's gone down a little bit, right? Baby Dogezilla. Baby Dogezilla. Let's see, a month ago, roughly. December 7th. And that one's gone down as well. Little baby rabbit. Or sorry, little rabbit, excuse me. L LTRBT. Month ago. Yeah. Look at that spike. That was in the 14th. Pretty much stagnant, right? Whole way. So it's the same, really, right? So that's the 7th. Much changed till now. Redzilla. Redzilla. 7th was a month ago. Less than a month ago. 7th was, yeah, that's sloping down as well. Okay, Red Feg PG. Red FEG. A month ago. Okay, so that's the 7th. Wow, that's really pretty much all of them, right? Leopard. That one was I was kind of like high on, right? A little bit. Not financial advice, of course. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment result. 1 month ago. Boy, same thing. Amazing. Wow, that's quite amazing. Candylad. Of course, I'm gonna go through all these, right? Just want to see, right? 3 months. So 1 month ago. 10th, yep. Down again. Kind of going through these quickly. You know, obviously, I don't spend like 4 hours a day. I've heard some people spend. This is what they do. Still down as well. All day, every day. This is what they look at every day, all day. I don't know that I could do that. I have the patience for that. Of course, if I'm making a bunch of money doing it, maybe, yeah, right. Anyway, so 7th, still down. Well, looks like all of them, right, so far. It was a low key bunk. So far, I've yet to see one that's actually gone up at all, yield any good results, right? Yeah, hit or miss, I guess, sometimes, right? This is, I guess this is how it is. 1 month ago, let's see, your cat bunk. So that's the first and the 7th, and then okay, down. Cat bunk and ultra safe, which at the time I talked about its name, being how it has the name about it. Anyway, we go here. Look, okay, it's up a little bit. Oh, it looks like it is. So 7th, was down a little bit. Okay. Is it? It looks like it's about the same actually. Let's see. The 7th was no, it's the same or a little down. Cat bread. Yeah. Likewise there. These are the ones I really didn't questionable, right? Let's just see them anyway, right? Let's take a look. Were they up? Were they down? Oh, wow. Easy. Those are down again. Good thing we have the internet for us. I don't have to read a ticker tape like they did back in the 20s, the roaring 20s, as it were. Heard it being said. Yeah, I've heard it said like keep your eggs in one basket and then watch that basket. That's what they've always talked about. 7th, yeah, still down. NFT tone. Huh? The 7th. It's about the same. About the same. Safe Bull and last one. Okay, so Safe Bull. Get it right. Safe Bull. Gone up a little bit. Maybe. 7th was there. Nope, down. Finally, last one, right? Oh, the 7th. And it's down. Yeah, it's down as well. Interesting, right? That's just how it is, right? So revisiting all those tokens and just to see if they've made any money, essentially, right? 'Cause, again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's do another one, right? I know there's a lot of views on one of these tokens here. Oh yeah, here we go. Giga Finance, right? Giga Finance. Let's take a look and see what that is right now. Okay, back in the day, I did this on November 28th, right? Okay, let's take a look at the price. 8th. When Gecko. Gecko, November 28th. So it would have been like 30 days ago, right? Yeah, a little less than 30 days. Okay. 30 days ago, 28th. Yeah. Um, yeah, you're down as well. Same as that one. Hmm. Think- What else can I see here? Of course, I know Bitcoin, right? They're down. And maybe that's the case, right? Maybe that's why. Nobody really knows. I don't know. Not a, I'm not a Nostradamus, right? As far as coins are concerned. But maybe that's the reason why they're down because I know Bitcoin is down. It was 57,000, right? 3 weeks ago, I think it's like 48,000 or something. Let's see. Yeah, 49,000. So it's down 8,000, right? But that's how Bitcoin is, right? In case you didn't know that, right? How Bitcoin is sometimes. It was at 30,000 back in July of this year. Now it's at 49. I think I saw it 65. It went 65 in March, I think, or April, one of those months. Yeah. And BNB, that was up to like 600 or something a while back ago, and Ethereum was like at 4,300 or something like that, and Solana was like 200 something. Cardano, Polkadot, Dogecoin was like 65, I think, or 68 cents, 69 cents back in March or something like that as well. Shiba Inu was up a bit. Of course, this time last year, if you bought Shiba Inu, you made a mint, right? From last year to this year. You know what interests me, right? Which I guess really I'm curious about sometimes is the volume, right? I'm not going to talk bad about Tether. I'm just going to say, you know, just be careful with Tether because you just don't know right, about that. Just saying, right? Just saying. I'm just saying. Anyway, 56, 56 billion. Right? Come on, really? Something's going on. Whatever. Anyway, yeah, Bitcoin is 27 billion. Excuse me. So you go down. Now this is 24-hour volume, right? Their market cap is way different. Market cap, yeah, market cap of Bitcoin is $930 billion with a B. That's gigantic. If you go down the list, right? I mean, that's obviously how the ranking goes. And if you just find one that is like Shiba Inu, right? You found. I'm curious, right? Let's look at Shiba Inu from last year. I'm just curious. I think now this is not my financial advice, but this is entertainment only. But I think really crypto.com because there's a lot of commercials about it. I think that might push off. It might go up a little bit. You might see that like at $1 this time next year. I suspect just because they got a TV campaign, they got push and stuff. So I'm thinking that once they make it more of it, and it's its own exchange, right? So I think it's going to go up. And then Litecoin, I see that going up a little bit. Chainlink, I've heard from other people, they think that's going to go up as well. Bitcoin Cash. See, the thing about Bitcoin Cash that you may not know is Bitcoin Cash it's an easier way to pay with Bitcoin. Essentially, it's not Bitcoin, right? But it's an easier way to pay with Bitcoin. More transaction fees than Bitcoin. You may see that go up. Tron, yeah, that's its own exchange as well. That might go up as well. Mana. Now I know Mana. I was looking at Mana when it was like 28 cents or something like that, and that's what is it's like one of those universe things, or what do you call it? Virtuality coins, basically, metaverse as it were. And I just knew right away looking at it, like, yeah, that's going to take off, right? And it was like a 28 cents then. So I was like, yeah, that's definitely going to take off because people love to go after the virtual reality space, basically. Been doing it for a couple of years now. So the Shiba Inu, right? Let's take a look at it. So a year ago, if you were to buy Shiba Inu, yeah. Matter of fact, don't even go further, right? Look at this. You serious? Really? Yeah. Okay, hold on. So, okay, check this out. In June, no, yeah, right here. So this year, what? February of this year, right? How many zeros is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 7 zeros. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So what? 30,000. How many percent is that? 30. Is that 30,000? 1,000%. So 3,000%. I think for every zero, it's 1,000%. So that might be that case. It's currently trading value. I'm at $1.35 billion in 24 hours. Doesn't look like it's taking a step down. Okay, year to date. Yeah, look at the peak right here. Okay, it peaked a little bit, and then people dump. Okay, people buy. Oh, okay, good. Dump. They dump their coin. Buy, dump. Buy, dump. That's what it looks like. And you can tell right here. That's how you know, right? You know, people, because people are thinking that, oh gosh, it's going way up because either the 24-hour market, right, going to 27 million, right? That 2.49 billion 24-hour period, 20 billion in 24-hour period. They're thinking it's going to go up, right? Oh gosh, the token's going to go up, right? And then there's holders out there like, yeah, okay, cool, we're gonna get rich, right? And they're like, oh, let me get out because I think I'm good, and they'll get out. And then as soon as they get out, like, oh, everybody's getting out, right? That's kind of how it works. Then there's, of course, people stay. So the floor becomes another floor. This is the floor before. This is the new floor. Same thing here. You see this? 14 billion, 24-hour period. Oh, buy. Oh, it's going to go. Right here, same way. 45 billion, 45. Can you imagine $45 billion in a 24-hour period? Just wrap your head around that, please. $45 billion in a 24-hour period. 45 billion. That is crazy. Crazy. I mean, for a coin that's got a bunch of zeros behind it, that's crazy insane, right? But I think you're going to see another. I think you're going to see another spike, basically, in my opinion. Not in the financial advice, of course. Not financial advice, of course, out there for whoever's looking. Let's conversely, we look at Bitcoin, right? Look at it in the past. What? See, Bitcoin is a little weird because Bitcoin is always going to be high volume, right? Because it's the leader of the pack, right? They're what you see 67 million, right? 24-hour volume. 100, what is 188 million, right? Whatever. 105 million. It's consistently, right? It's always consistently going. They're always consistently high, the amount of volume, always. That's what makes it different than other tokens. And the fact that there's only 21 million tokens, right? That's it total. It's kind of a scarcity. So plus there's all these exchanges, right? And a lot of people are buying like $1 worth. I think that people that have their coins, maybe the people have like, say, I don't know how many coins people have, but the people that out there that have whatever they have, I think they're just holding. They're like, okay, I'm waiting. I think what you see is these people here getting in, they're buying it. They're getting like $100 worth, $200 worth, whatever. They just want to get something. They heard about Bitcoin. What is this, right? So they go ahead and buy it, right? Like, oh yeah, it's a good time to get in. Somebody said so, maybe, or whatever, right? So they get in, and they maybe should have got in at 29,000, right? Or even last year at 23,000. But it's nobody knows, right, the price when it's going to go up or when it go down. So yeah. All right. Yeah. So all I did was just review these tokens I did over here in December 7th, right? And I can tell you that none of them made money, right? All of them are the same price. I mean, or lower, actually. They lost money, right? So that's the nature of the beast, right? That's just how it is sometimes. So yeah. All right. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.